Okay, in this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to open your WhatsApp on your desktop PC. Now, to start with, all you need is to start by coming to your browser and type in web.whatsapp.com, and it will bring you over here. Now, to open your WhatsApp here, there are 4 steps. Step 1 is to open your WhatsApp, which we're going to do here. Let's open one of my WhatsApp account, and then you can go to the menu. You can come to these 3 dots, go to settings, and then you can see this is the QR code that you can tap because you have an equivalent QR code here. So you can just click on this QR code, just tap on it, and then you can come over and say scan code. And once you say scan code, you can now move and center it towards. So you can put it at the center once it scans. Okay, so you say continue. And this is going to link to your device. You can just give the permission, and then it is going to go ahead and open your WhatsApp on your desktop. It is now logging in, and you can see directly it is opening my WhatsApp on my desktop PC. All right, so you can see right now my WhatsApp is opened, and you can say continue to this, and have all my details. I can continue with my chats and sending messages directly from here. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.